When design meets nature, every view inspires a different kind of living. At Folding Sliding Doors Canada, we create connections between indoors and out, between light and space, between craftsmanship and comfort. Each system is built with precision, engineered for performance, and designed to last a lifetime. From lakeside retreats to hillside homes, our doors frame what matters most: your space, your light, your life. Whether it's a panoramic folding wall, a custom front entry, or a seamless window system, every detail reflects the beauty of Canadian design and manufacturing. Because a door isn't just an opening, it's how your home greets the world. Engineered for Canadian climates, crafted for homes that demand both performance and style. Folding Sliding Doors Canada, bringing the outdoors in since 2005.